Tao po, tao po.
Oh, good morning, Doña Chay. Won't you come in?
Are you alone, Emilio?
Yes. Have a seat, please. What can I do for you?
Where is Pamoy?
Nanay? She went out to Aling and Chums.
Oh, I see. Well, Emilio, I heard you visiting. You seem to be happy today.
Indeed, I am Doña Chay. Tomorrow is my birthday, and Nanay will buy me a new camisa.
That is very good, Emilio. Let's tell your mother I will be back.
Yes, Doña Chay, I will.
Here, Emilio, take the fish to the kitchen and you better cook the rice now.
Yes, Nanay.
Emilio, here is 10 centavos for your haircut. You may leave after the rice is set on the stove. And Dam said he's expecting you at his barbershop before I told him that you were coming.
By the way, Nanay, Doña Chay came this morning, but she left when she did not find you. She said she's coming back. Yes, Nanay. Why, Mother? What is the matter?
Nothing at all. I will run along now and do it what I told you.
Good morning, Pamoy. I came here this.
Oh yes, I know. Emilio told me about it.
Well, Pamoy, this is the third week that you have failed to pay the interest of the 10 pesos I told you. You promised to pay me yesterday, but you did not show up.
That is true, Doña Chay. You see, I do not have the money yet. If you would please wait till after Christmas, perhaps.
But wait till after Christmas. I need money myself. Besides, week after week you promised to pay your debt, but nothing has come out of your promises.
But I do not have.
I do not believe it. How were you able to buy a new camisa for Emilio?
I have saved only enough for what I promised my little boy. As you see, his clothes are tattered and his hair is long. Tomorrow is his birthday and I want to make him happy, even for only this once. Will you please give me more time? I promise I shall not fail you again.
Peh! Birthday? You know how to borrow but you don't know how to pay. I should have known better.
Doña Chay, we borrowed because we were in need, but it does not mean that we can be insulted even in our own home. Nanay, give the money intended for my camisa.
Why? This is 1 peso and 90 centavos. The entrance is 2 pesos a week.
It is all I have, Doña Chay.
Doña Chay, take this if it will make you any happier.
I will come back after Christmas, Pamoy.
Don't cry, Nanay. I will find work, and soon we will pay all your debts.
But son, the camisa, I promise you, and your haircut. Tomorrow is your birthday.
Do not let me worry, Nanay. I shall have other birthdays.